Try an 8-minute workout before bedtime and notice the difference in a month. If you struggle to find time for exercise during the day, this bedtime routine will help you stay fit, flexible, and fabulous. You'll head to bed feeling refreshed, enjoy better sleep, and wake up with your muscles relaxed and ready. Keep watching to follow this simple, low-impact workout. It's quick, easy, requires no equipment, and can be done right before sleep. And you'll begin with a short warm-up, which is essential even for light exercises. Warm-up includes arm circles and high knees. Warm-up, arm circles and high knees. Arm circles. The timer is set for 30 seconds. Start by doing arm circles. Stand tall with your back straight, lift your arms overhead, and as you lower them, let your palms face downward and move your arms away from your chest toward your back. Breathe in as you lift and breathe out as you lower. This will help loosen your shoulders, chest, and neck. High knees, set the timer for 30 seconds. Stand tall with feet comfortably apart. Raise your right knee to a 90 degrees angle, then switch to the left. Keep alternating quickly. To ensure knees are lifted high enough, bend your elbows at 90 degrees and touch each knee to the opposite hand. For more intensity, add a small jump, simulating running in place while raising your knees high. Main workout. Squats. Begin the main workout with squats. Set the timer for 60 seconds and perform as many as you can. Keep feet shoulder width apart, back straight, and knees behind your toes. Push your hips back and go as low as possible. For easier modification, place a chair behind you to lightly touch with your glutes before returning to standing. Avoid bouncing. Squats work thighs, hamstrings, glutes, calves, core, and abs, making them a full-body exercise. Donkey kicks. Get on all fours, using a mat for comfort. Set the timer for 60 seconds. Lift your right leg behind you, keeping it parallel to the floor at a 90 degrees angle. Hands should stay under shoulders. Switch legs and continue. If needed, rest 10 seconds midway, then resume. Keep your back straight, lift legs with control, and avoid using momentum. Donkey kicks tone, tighten, and strengthen the glutes. Push-ups. Timer is set for 60 seconds. Start in a plank position with hands shoulder width apart. Lower your body while keeping your back straight and glutes engaged. For easier modification, rest knees on the floor. Push-ups strengthen chest, shoulders, triceps, arms, and core. Squat and side crunch. Stand with hands behind your head, arms wide, and feet turned slightly outward. Set the timer for 60 seconds. Lower into a wide squat, 90-degree angle, then lift your right leg and bend your torso to meet knee and elbow. Return to squat, then switch sides. This targets abdominals and obliques, helping reduce love handles. Plank ups. Return to the floor in a plank. Timer, 60 seconds. Lower right forearm, then left, then press up with right hand, then left, returning to plank. Keep proper form, head, neck, spine aligned, abs tight. If intense, hold an elbow plank as long as possible. This strengthens core, arms, shoulders, glutes, and abdominals. Standing crossover toe touches. Stand with feet wider than hips. Timer, 60 seconds. Extend arms to sides, rotate torso right, and touch left hand to front of right foot. Repeat on the other side. This stretches lower back, engages abs and obliques, and improves flexibility. Low impact makes it ideal for knees or apartment living at night. Cool down, quadriceps and rhomboid stretch. Cool down is essential. Timer, 30 seconds. Quadriceps stretch, bring right foot to glutes, hold with hand to stretch the quads. Switch sides. This ensures muscles are loose in the morning. Rhomboid stretch, right arm across chest, use left hand to gently pull arm closer. Switch sides. Whether you exercise in the morning, after meals, or before bed, people who move enjoy better sleep. The National Sleep Foundation reports light exercise increases sleep quality by 49%. This routine is perfect for a refreshing night. Do it while watching a late-night show, or focus on movements for maximum effect. Remember, any exercise is better than none.